Hi friends, Tindy here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, and show your girl some love by subscribing to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fold fitted bed sheets just like this, so crispy and nicely folded. I know it can be complicated. I used to get frustrated trying to fold an elastic fitted bed sheet, but I cracked the code, y'all, and I finally got it. So I will show you the easy and fast way to achieve this look. So stay tuned. Spread the fitted sheet on a flat surface like so. So on the bed fitted sheet, there is the longer side, which is the length, and the shorter side, which is the width. So locate the two corner side of the shorter side and connect it with the other corner just like so. Do the same on the other side. At this point, you can either hold the two corners together and lift the fitted sheet and shake it in order to straighten the bed sheet, or you can just leave it on the bed and straighten it there. For me, I prefer the first method because it's faster. So now begin to smooth out the bed sheet. This is a very important step because that's how we achieve a more cleaner and nicely folded straight bed sheet. So now you can fold the bed sheet from this side here just by a third. Then fold this side halfway and do the same on the other side. Smooth it out as you go. Now fold the bed sheet in thirds for a more compact and neater look, which is also great for small spaces. If you have a bigger space and you want a flatter look, here's another way of folding the fitted bed sheet. That's it friends, I hope you learned something new today. Give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below if this was helpful to you. Also remember to subscribe and to click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload another video, and I'll love you forever. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.